Okay, now we're going to take and make something a little different with the coconut. We have the shredded coconut, which we talked about before, and we're going to make a nice candy with it. First, we're going to take some what we call raw cacao nibs, which is the raw chocolate bean, and we're going to put it in a mill here, and we're going to grind that up. Then we've got some nice goji berries, which is a fruity berry, which is very, very high power energy fruit. We're going to put them in here. We're going to blend it on down. Let me take the top off of here and shake that out. Okay. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of coconut, shredded coconut in there to make the candy. And we're going to reach over here and get something to stir with. So here we have the chocolate, the goji berries, and it's all pretty dry right now. And so we want to get it into a nice candy consistency. So we're going to take that coconut oil and we're going to pour some of that coconut oil into the candies. And again, if we spill any, we don't care because this stuff is a great beauty lotion. So we're just going to kind of rub that in. And then we're going to mix the coconut oil into the several ingredients. And once it's there, you can take candy forms and stuff them into there. You can then, once you do that, you can take and put those forms in the refrigerator and wait for them to get hard and pop them out, and you have some really awesome tasting coconut candies.